Sempang Kalang guys, Sempang Kalang. Okay. And the most different you can see inside is the steering. The steering is 2 spoke here, 1 spoke and then 2 spoke here. And the meter is look like same, very same to the DVVT. And this car is automatic. The dashboard also same to the DVVT, but here you have armrest. So this is aftermarket armrest, because Kembara, if you buy Kembara, I don't think the Kembara give the armrest or not, but inside my DVT have the armrest also. And here you can change the player to the biggest. Okay, I show you the DVVT. This one is Kembara DVVT steering, have 3 spoke, 1 spoke, 2 spoke, 3 spoke in here. And the dashboard is look like same to the Kembara HE. You can see same dashboard, but in here I don't know why the back door we don't have the power window, but in the HE, and you can see this one is have power window. Oh, kalau letak ni manual ke ya? Ada pulas ha. Oh, this one upgrade guys. First it was manual and then upgrade to the automatic power window in behind. This one is aftermarket power window. Oh. This one is compressor aircon for the Kembara HC model in here. As usual, you can see the difference is in here. This is HC and we see the DVVT. Wait, and this one is DVVT. Don't have the timing back cover in here. It's open guys, open, no timing back. In this HC we use timing back here, and this one is for belting aircon, and it's very near to the fans. The fan in here is very near. Don't have too much place in here. Very tight, see. In DVVT we have some space here, around 4 inch here, to make sure the belting is far from the fan, and fan is here. This one is the fan. And this one is the biggest difference you can see from Perodua HC 1300cc is they have here. I don't know what we call this one, but in the DVVT we don't have this type of thing. This one we don't have for the DVVT. This one you can see only in the HC Kembara. And here it look empty in Kembara HC, and we take a look at the Kembara DVVT. Okay, in this Kembara DVVT we don't have the thing inside the HC in here, and it really big space in here. This one also have a big space, same like the HC Kembara. And here I have changed the 4-to-1 extractor exhaust, and the engine is look more dirty because we go off-road last week to give the help to flooded place. And this one is hazy Kembara. You can see the difference. In here it's same for the breaking, but in here it's not the same. In Kembara DVT we don't have this type of thing. I don't know what is this, but this look like fuel injection or something. EFI, electronic fuel injection. Yes, I think EFI. So EFI is electronic fuel injection in here, and the extractor in here. Okay, here is the extractor. It was original extractor here. Yeah, it was original extractor from Perodua Kembara. And if you use his HC Kembara, don't forget you have a timing belt in here. Don't forget to change your timing belt if it was the time to change the timing belt. This Kembara is really cheap to maintain, very good to maintain, very efficient, not so much money. Just take care of the here engine oil, and then water in here. You have second tank in here, second tank, and then battery. For the auto gearbox, you need to take care of your auto fuel gearbox gear. This is HC 1.3 2003 1.3 cc 1300 cc. And take a look for the full Kembara HE. Is same from outside, it's same guys. Only the difference is using the timing belt and timing chain, and also the steering is the biggest chain. After that is very same guys. In the HE we have the automatic mirror here to change your left and right mirror. Very good. And this one is Perodua Kembara DVVT from outside. Is same guys, same to the HC, and the year also same. I don't know why. The year is 2003, same. Very look similar and same. And this one is also the auto gearbox. This is DVVT engine year 2003. Today we have a group event to help people from the village. There was flooded in the village. Now we go to the RV point. Let's go guys. Got to go, and this is the dangerous way. Alright.